Hey everyone, welcome to the Dispatch demo series. Today, we're going to be showing you how Dispatch can help marketing teams increase community engagement, enable automated tracking, and rapidly create real-time internal alerts. I'll show you how to accomplish these goals in Dispatch in just a few clicks. In case you don't know us, Dispatch is a no-code Web3 automation and alerting tool to improve team efficiency, marketing growth, and product adoption. All you need to get started in Dispatch is an account and create your first patch. A patch consists of a trigger and an action, and we'll show you what that looks like later in the video. For this demo, we're going to be looking at 4 different automations across 4 protocols, including Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, and Binance Smart Chain. The first project is GutterMelo, a phygital sneaker collab with Gang, Puma, and LaMelo Ball. Next up is Galxe, a community quest platform. Third is Chikn, a Web3 game including upgradable NFTs. And last is CryptoBlades, a PvP NFT game. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, first up is GutterMelo. And this is a pretty cool phygital project recently launched with Puma, LaMelo Ball, and the Gang. As you can see here, we land on the Dispatch dashboard. First, we have pre-configured patches here on the bottom. Again, a patch just consists of a trigger and an action. And up top here, you can create custom patches. And that's what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and create a new smart contract patch. We're going to create a new minting bot for this particular community. So we select our particular options. GutterMelo is listed on Ethereum, and we're going to add a new contract. Simply just drop in the contract address and give it a name. You can typically get these addresses on OpenSea, Etherscan, or if you already have it on hand, you can just drop it right in. We're going to go ahead and find all those events for you. As you can see, this particular contract has a proxy and implementation contract. What's great in Dispatch is that we watch both the proxy and implementation contract for you, so you can follow the events that best suit your needs. So for this, we're going to create a new minting bot. So let's go ahead and find that minting event. Here we go. And let's send that over to Discord. And we're going to add it to the channel, which is GutterMelo Mintbot. It's very simple. You can send a quick test to make sure everything's set up properly. Good to go, as we can see. And we can give it a name. Perfect. And that's it. You can turn that patch on, and now anytime a new mint happens across that collection, your community will be notified. The goal here is to keep everyone in the loop, and during the initial mint, it really allows them to see the velocity of what's going on and hopefully drive them to the website to take action or to be part of that particular mint. Next up, we're going to create a bot for Galxe. This is a community quest platform used by a lot of projects on a number of different blockchains. Today, we're going to focus on their space station contract on Polygon. So for this one, we're going to create new event. We're going to look at the new events forged and the new activated campaign. So pretty much anytime a new project comes on board and launches a new quest for a particular on the site here, you'll be able to follow that and get notified in real time of that happening. So you can create this for your community, keep them up to date with any new project coming online if you're building out various quests such as Galxe. So this one we're going to do to Discord here, and we're going to post this one into our general channel. And we're going to go ahead, and we've already tested. We're going to skip that step and give this one a new name, Galxe new forge event bot. All right. As you can see, we just created about 2 patches in 2 minutes, so we're on a good roll here. We're going to go ahead and jump into another one. This is going to be the first game that we're going to be highlighting today. So this one's on Avalanche, and it's called Chikn. Phenomenal name. And let's see here. I already have the Chikn contract in. And Chikn is pretty good with words here, as they've named some of their events something very relevant. And we're going to create a Master of Egg bot. All of the various events that can come from this contract are cheekily named egg. So we're going to do anytime an egg is burned, staked, swapped, or unstaked. And we'll also make sure we catch that minted egg bot notification as well. So we're going to go ahead and click Discord. I created a perfect channel for this called Master of Egg channel. And for those that really want to keep up to date with what's happening within Chikn and the egg verse here, you will be covered. So let's go ahead and call this Master of Egg bot. Bam. Third patch made under 3 minutes. We are killing it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create our last patch. This one's going to be a bit different. We're going to use the project called CryptoBlades. This is, again, a PvP NFT game. This one is a multi-chain game, but we're going to go ahead and pick the one chain that is Binance Smart Chain for this one. And I've already added the contract again. And for this one, we're going to mix up the output a little bit. Instead of choosing a community channel that may go more externally facing, we're actually going to create an internal endpoint for us via a webhook. So maybe you may be a bit more technically inclined as a marketer and looking to create automations for your team internally to power, say, maybe a dashboard, or maybe you just want to create and feed this into another system such as Slack and post that webhook directly into a Slack channel so you're notified anytime a new player levels up or creates a new character. So again, this has a proxy and implementation contract. We're going to go ahead and go on the implementation and click level up and new character. We're going to not use these pre-configured ones, but go ahead and actually use a webhook. And I've already added one in here, and we're going to add it to this endpoint that I've created earlier. All you got to do is simply just drop in a URL to create a new webhook. And we're going to give it a name. So let's call it level up new character. Events are emitted to CryptoBlades. Let's make it a bit shorter. Dashboard. Internal. All right, going to go ahead and turn that patch on. And so I'm going to go ahead and jump back and view some of our patches so you can see some of these new ones we've created here. And the nice thing is you can always jump in and look at the specific way you've set up that patch. If this patch is firing too frequently, maybe you want to pause it, you can simply do that here. Always turn it back on as well. And in the history, you can see how some of these patches have fired. So here are some other patches that have already fired as well. So this is an Avalanche particular game, and this is a betting bot that was set up. So you can see the different info and anytime a bet was placed in this particular game. And you can also get information across Discord. I can fire that up as well. While that's loading, let's go ahead and look at kind of all the contracts we've added here. You can always add new contracts quickly and easily directly here as well beyond the patch interface. Another thing you can do too is always check out the Explore page. These are pre-configured patches and allow you to quickly kind of get up and running. All right, looks like Discord's ready to go. Let's go ahead and jump into the test server that I set up and see what one of those patches look like. All right, here we go. So here's a Bored Ape Yacht Club transfer bot. You can see that new transfer was detected. You can always jump right back into dispatch and see that particular event when it happened, etc., allowing you to keep up to date with exactly what's going on within your community. That brings us to the end of our demo today. I hope that you learned how Dispatch can help increase your engagement, grow your community, and keep a pulse on your project through our latest set of features. If you want to take Dispatch for a spin, we're excited to extend beta invites to you in the description below. We cannot wait to see what you build and hear your feedback on this latest release. Be sure to subscribe and follow us as there is much more to come. Thanks for your time and talk soon.